Okay, so we have some made-up data about age and hours spent playing video games, and we're going to put it on this graph down here. Now, it says to use 1 centimeter. So how IB graph paper works is there's a darkened line. This is not a great screen clip of it, but it does have little lines on there. Usually it's just kind of darkened in, but 1 centimeter is each darkened in line. So I'm supposed to use 1 hour, so I'm going to put a 1 there, and then I'm supposed to use 10 on the one. Actually, I'm going to put a 10 there. You could number the whole thing if you want, but if you put one number on there, then you're covered in terms of your scale. All right, so let's see if I can get these on there. And again, it's an estimate, so I don't have to be exact. So 315, 3, 5, 10, 15. Let me just say, I'll take that. That's not too bad. 6, 19. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is my scale actually going to work? Oh, I have these backwards. This should be y-axis. This should be x-axis. Yeah, no, I'm doing this wrong. Let me fix this here. That's a mistake in the problem. So this should be 10. Yeah, this should be 10. 7 to the top. Okay, it's not going to fit perfectly, but we're going to go. Yeah, we're going to go with it. All right. So sorry about the beginning of this video, me trying to figure out what I was going to do. But anyways, 15-year-old plays 3 hours. So 10, 15 goes 3 hours. 19-year-old plays 6 hours. So 19 is going to be close to the 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hours. 27-year-old plays 4 hours. 10, 27 here, right out there. 44-year-old plays 4.5 hours. 10, 20, 30, 44. 4.5 hours right about there. 32-year-old plays 5 hours. 32-year-old plays about 5 hours right about there. 18-year-old plays 2.5 hours. 18-year-old plays about 2.5 hours. 14-year-old plays 6.5 hours. 14-year-old plays 6.5 there. 38-year-old plays 2 hours. 10, 20, 38-year-old plays 2 hours. And a 55-year-old plays 7.5 hours. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 55-year-old plays 7.5 hours. So about up there. Okay, so what do you notice about this correlation? There's a few different arguments I can make here. I could argue that someone could see absolutely no correlation at all, okay? But if I kind of ignored these two, which isn't really how you're supposed to look at these, but there's going to be some outliers on here, I can see a positive trend in it. So I can see either weak, negative, very weak, weak positive going along there. So I can see this being an answer, or I can see this being an answer. Okay, either one of those should be accepted. In a problem like this, it was meant to show a very weak positive correlation, but now that I'm looking at it, I can absolutely see someone saying that it's more of a negative correlation because of these 2 points being there. If those 2 points weren't there, it would be a fairly strong positive correlation because it's definitely going straight up. But the way that it's drawn, weak positive or no correlation, either one would get accepted for that.